Okay, everyone. Today we are going to be starting. I don't know if I would call it a new series, but we're gonna call it rating doorzo packages. So what I mean by that is we're not gonna do a unbox with me and rate the stuff that I bought. We're gonna rate how they package their items. So of course, doorzo they just throw like some bubble wrap and the packages in here, but we're gonna rate the actual packaging. We're gonna rate is how the sellers package their items. So with cards and all that, people are really finicky with their conditions. I had one guy with like just buying my full art, what's it called, what's that card called again, red card. I forgot what it's called. Sorry, I played the game. I played a TCG game, but I forgot what that card is called. The red card, special red card. Yeah, full art, and he was gonna use it to play, and had like a bit of hollow foil left over there, and he didn't want it anymore, even though it was on the market. So his loss, I guess. But yep, today's series we're gonna be rating how sellers package their cards. So this one I actually opened before I thought of making this video, and basically he had it stuck in between two of these things, plastic things, and he had the card taped to the thing. So really good packaging. Although they could have used the top loader, even though I didn't use the top loader last time, but using a top loader would be an extra plus. And you get minus points for taping the card with clear tape and hard to remove tape onto the thing. You should have used tape that's easier to peel off, because I might accidentally scratch the card with my nails and damage it. So here we have the Mega Starmie over here. I would say really underappreciated card. I love this card so much. Such a funny card, and the SIR is just so pretty. It's so cheap right now, so if that's the SIR you probably want to get right now. It's a really pretty SIR. It's like Starmie standing out. I'll show you later. I think I ordered it, and you can see the centering over here is pretty good as well. Really nice card. And as for the seller's packaging, I'll rate it a 7 out of 10. It's not bad, but I've seen better packaging. So on to the next one. Not sure what this is, but as you can see, they used a normal mailer, not a box. Probably gonna take some points off for that. But actually, for like these proxy sites, the fact that they use these mailers kind of makes it a good thing, because it won't make your shipping costs go crazy. Oh my god, so hard to remove. I don't want to destroy the card. Okay, so opening it over here, you can see it's more Mega Starmies. Now you know how much I love Mega Starmie. So we're gonna open it over here, take it out, and as you can see, no hard cover covering the card, so that's gonna be a minus as well. And it's kept in like this card holder thing, like for the lanyard, except it doesn't have the lanyard holes for it. We're gonna take this card out here, and it's kept in a sleeve with paper at the back. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty hard paper. Oh wow, this is quite hard. Yeah, it's probably one of those like the same paper that they use for like giving the card holder some shape when they sell it. Okay, so here's the card itself. Really nice card. Condition still looks really good. Yeah, honestly quite nice. So I do like how the seller used a card holder to hold the card, although these things don't really have like the best, what would I say, the best resistance to flex. Like if I can just show you right now, it's really easy to bend it, although of course if you want to bend it all the way, it's not that easy. But yeah, it's still easy to bend it, which can cause like dents to the card, maybe just slight folding. Yeah, it's not the best. It's still better to sandwich it between two really hard cardboards, or like what I saw just now. Probably gets a 6 out of 10 for me. Okay, let's move on to the next. I could keep the two Starmies over here. This one. So it's quite thick and doesn't feel like there's any protection to it. I assume this is my Radiant Greninjas. Oh yeah, okay. So you have some tape over here securing the two cardboard boxes protecting the card. and definitely I don't feel any top loaders in there. Let's take this off. Oh yeah, it's all the Radiant Greninjas. So one thing that I don't really like is how sellers who are selling bulk, they don't really sleeve the individual cards. I mean, for bulk I can get like 50-cent cards, but to be fair, it's best to sleeve all cards. But for the seller's cost perspective, yeah, I guess for bulk you don't really need to sleeve it. But this is the type of packaging that I would expect if I were shipping bulk, but this is not actually bulk. Radiant Greninjas are worth not bulk prices, like maybe $3, or in ringgit it's above 10 ringgit. So they separated it into two separate plastic bags. So the cards, I would say, oh, did they sleeve it? Oh, it does. Oh, it looks like they did sleeve it. Oh wow. Yeah, I think they did. They individually sleeved each card, so that's definitely a plus for me. The outer packaging is probably some used paper, used mail envelope. Doesn't really matter. The main point is that the cards are safe. Doesn't look like there's any damage. Probably give this 8 out of 10. It's not bad. I was quite surprised. Yeah, so the main point that you want to do is you want to keep it within a hard cover, and of course sleeve each card to prevent them from scratching against each other. Okay, next one. So 3 more passes. Not a big order. Oh, a stamp. Okay, I love stamps. I'm probably gonna carefully rip this, not to destroy the stamp. Another Mega Starmie. I think, oh, wow, this is horrible. Wow, I guess you get points for giving me a stamp. I'm probably gonna keep this stamp, but this is horrible. He didn't even use any hard thing to cover it. It could have been bent so easily, and he secured the top with tape. What is wrong with him? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's horrible. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. And the worst part, I mean, that's not the worst part. The worst part is him not using any hardness to prevent bending. But the additional is he stacked the cards in the same sleeve. That's gonna damage the card. As you can see, there's some slight bending to the cards already. Let's look at the condition. Yeah, I don't see any scratches. But yeah, guys, don't do this to your cards, please. Especially for SRs, please sleeve them properly. Damn, that's horrible. You could have at least given me more sleeves like this. Are you running out of it? Crazy. Okay, 2 more. Really nice packaging. I do love this a lot. I love how Japan makes their parcels. I love it so much. I wish I could live in Japan. I only went there once, but I want to go back. Okay, next one. I'm not sure what this is. We're gonna look at it now. Oh, really nice. Oh my god. S tier, S tier, S tier. Oh my god, this is a 10 out of 10. He gave me this card box thing. Oh my god, this is so good. Whoa. Oh, he sleeved each one. Oh, Gold Star Greninja. Let's go, Gold Star. Okay, I forgot I ordered this, but there's a Gold Star Greninja, and you have this. I'm not sure if I have this already, and 2 more Radiant Greninjas. Crazy stuff. Oh my god. This seller, 10 star for me. 10 out of 10. If you can read Japanese, this is probably his detail. I don't know. Yeah, you can buy from him, I guess. It's crazy. Gold Star Greninja, guys. My grail, my holy grail. And he sleeved each card, and the sleeves are not cheap either. The sleeves are like high quality sleeves. Crazy, crazy. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That's probably gonna be my thumbnail. Okay. Next one. Last package. I assume this is the SIM. So, yeah. Oh, the side up. Okay. So, oh, this is the Misty side up with the Mega Dream setup. So yeah, this bubble wrap is really hard to take off, but he only secured the top with a hard cardboard, which is not the best, but he did sleeve. Okay, not bad. He did sleeve each of the cards, not bad as well. Did he? Oh, I think he did. Oh, okay. He sleeved each individual cards, and then he put it in another sleeve, a hard sleeve. So, cards condition, of course, no scratches because it is in a sleeve. Pretty good. Doesn't look like there's any creases or dents to the card, but again, minimal effort in packaging. I'll probably give this a 7 out of 10 as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. The winner for today, this guy. Crazy, man. The amount of effort. See you guys.